Alright guys, so we're going to put some bearings in these cases here. I know I've showed you before, but I always just confirm the temperature is high enough with a little bit of water at different points in the engine case to make sure bearings are going to slip in nicely, and we're looking pretty good right there. So I just pull it off the hot plate, flip it over, grab my inside retaining ring, pliers, snag a bearing. Here's a main, plop. Okay, this is the balance shaft, that's the other side. Here's your main shaft, counter shaft, shift drum, and then flip it. Sometimes they'll fall out, so you gotta be careful and go slow. And wear a welding glove. That's another tech tip. But now we've got your shift shaft pin. Sometimes these are going to be stubborn, so okay. So I just grab brass drift, get it started. Okay. Oh, and we're going to lose it. We'll get that part later. And then I grab counterbalancer bearing and I stick it right there. Okay. And I just go around, tap them with a T-handle, make sure they're seated. I'll get that, sweetie, just a minute, okay? Okay. Seated. Okay, those are good. Now we're going to try this shift shaft pin. And you should never pound anything in. Tap it. It's like Chubb says, just tap it in. Just tap it in. I'm just using the weight of the punch itself. Okay. That one's not bottomed yet, but we'll work on that. Thanks for watching.